In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Odoo password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your Odoo website. It's usually something like yourcompany.odoo.com or whatever your unique URL is. Once you've got that open, look for the home page. This is where everything begins. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to click on your profile icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the page. This icon often has your avatar or initials and represents your account settings and preferences. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down menu, you're going to want to select the option that says My Preferences. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to your Odoo account, including your password. Once you're on the My Preferences page, look for the section titled Security. This is where you can manage your password settings. So go ahead and click on the Security tab. This will bring you to the area where you'll have the option to change your password. Now, here comes the crucial part. Click on Change Password. This is the feature you'll need to update your old password. After you click that, a form will pop up asking for some information. To begin changing your password, you'll first need to confirm your current password. So, type in your existing password into the designated field. This step is important. It validates that you're the correct user making this change. Once you've entered your current password, the next step is to create a new password. In the form, you'll see a field for your new password. Type in your desired new password, making sure it meets any security requirements set by Odoo. Usually, this means including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. After typing in your new password, you'll need to confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field right below it. This double entry helps ensure that you haven't made any typos when setting your new password. Finally, the last step is to click on the Change Password button to finalize the process. Give that button a click, and your password will be updated. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Odoo password. It's always a good idea to remember to update it regularly and to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. If you find yourself needing to change it again in the future, just follow these same steps and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Odooing!